Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we're going to be resetting Banjo's corral because there's an ice storm on the forecast. So we'll see if that comes or not, but it's always good to be prepared for the ice and that nothing is slippery. So first, I'm gonna be redoing Banjo's water trough, and so that's what these are for. Load number 1 on its way to being dumped. The stall is ready for the ice storm, and so is this one over here. Well, this was as good as we could get because the ground is still frozen, so it's hard to get things up. So this is us at our best right now, and yeah, whether we get this ice storm or not, hopefully the horses should be prepared and they've got nice warm stalls and fresh water. Now we're gonna head inside and bake some cookies. The chickens also need some new shavings, so I'm gonna do that really quick. Okay, that's all done, and now they should be good to go.
mountain skies aglow. Memories float like wisps of smoke, whispering tales from day.
Okay, everybody is good. Tex doesn't need anything. His shelter is very stable and definitely gonna block that ice rain if we happen to get any. So yeah, everything looks good here. And yeah, so he's just eating his food. Everybody's eating. Trough heaters are plugged in. That moon is looking good. Can't even see how good it looks on the camera. But here's our plump little mammoth. He is a big boy. Good boy. Yeah. So yeah, he's eating his hay. It is. Here you go. Alright, enjoy that. Here's Burke eating his alfalfa and Sparrow. And yeah, everybody is all ready if we do get this ice storm. I don't know like if we're actually gonna be getting it, but in case we do, it's always good to be prepared and make sure your animals are taken care of the best of their ability. So here is everything, and everything is good. What you doing? You're a good boy. Don't blind yourself. Come here. Like, I don't know, if I was him, I'd be sleeping in this, because I would sleep in this myself, but I don't live outside, so, you know. But yeah, everything's going well. We'll see what happens tomorrow, and if nothing happens, at least I still got some cozy things. So, I'll check back tomorrow. It's the next day and we did get the ice rain, so that's why it's always good to be prepared and set your animals up for the weather. So he ate some of his bedding because it's just normal grass hay. We don't have straw, but I mean he left a lot of it, and I'm sure the more he stands on it, the less interested he'll be in eating it. So he didn't even like barely touch his hay net. I pulled these out for him because he doesn't like, he knows how to use it, but if he had hay on the ground, he'd probably eat that. So I like just pulled out a bit to encourage him. But yeah, everything looks good, and the ground is a fair bit icy, and so are these rails. They're icy too. So yeah, it's definitely really cold out. This is even icy. So yeah, we definitely did get ice rain, and he's even icy. You poor boy, are you icy? Well, at least you have a warm shelter, right? You good boy. That's all just ice. But he's warm under there, because look at that. See that? That's warm. That's not wet. He's insulated well, aren't you? You are. Good boy. But everything looks good. They're all eating. Tex is good. And I'm really glad that we prepared the day before. Well, you guys, I think I'm going to end the video here for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed making this one. And thank you guys for almost 1,000 subscribers. That is like really amazing and never would have been possible without you guys for sure. So thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.